I'm Natalie from Politeknik Komodo. Here, I want to speak English skill. What's your name?
Alex,
Alex. Where are you from?
from France.
How long you stay here?
I stay 2 days
2 days. And where are you stay here?
in the south of the island, in a resort hotel.
Have you been to Labuan Bajo before?
Yes, 6 years ago.
Have you visited Padar Island?
Padalarang Komodo Island.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
How about you? About tourism in Labuan Bajo?
Yes.
How about you?
Visiting.
Yes. All place in Labuan Bajo.
Yes, I did. I visit a little bit around, but I've never been inside the city center, like in the middle of the island.
Thank you. And what is your favorite food? Indonesian food?
Yes, nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
That's
Oh,
good.
good. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.